How to check if iPhone is carrier locked. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and availability capacity. Scroll down and go to Carrier Lock as shown. As you can see, there are no SIM restrictions. Following these steps, you can easily check if iPhone is carrier locked. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.